Hi guys, Viktoriya Khusit here, and today let's talk about state of California. Pleasant surprise residents of California might see in their bank account or in their mailbox. And it's called Golden State Stimulus. And right now I am on Franchise Tax Board website. We can read about this Golden State Stimulus. So what do you need to know? That Golden State Stimulus, this is stimulus payment. It's only for residents of California state, and it's a one-time payment of $600 if you are single or $1,200 if you are married. So let's see who is qualified and what do you need to know to receive this stimulus payment. You are eligible to receive this Golden State Stimulus payment if you are low-income Californians and Californians who's facing a hardship due to COVID-19. When you will receive this payment? You will receive this payment if you file 2020 tax return. And if you filed your tax return between January 1st and March 1st, 2021, you will receive your stimulus payment beginning after April 15th. Today is April 16th, and I already seen deposits into people's bank account. If you receive a paper check, allow up to 4 to 6 weeks for mailings. If you will file your tax return after March 2nd of 2021, your stimulus payment will not be scheduled until your return is processed. And once we process your return, your stimulus payment will be scheduled. Direct deposit allow up to 45 days after your return has been processed, and for the checks, it's after 60 days. So if you're eligible for refund, you need to receive your refund from the state of California and then allow up to 45 days for direct deposit and 60 days for the checks. But the most important question, who is qualified to receive these California stimulus checks? As I said, you have to file your 2020 taxes and you have to be California Earned Income Credit recipient and have a valid social security number. If you do not have a valid social security number, but you have an ITIN, you need to make less than $75,000. You have to live in California for more than half of 2020 and be a California resident on the date payment is issued. So you need to, going back, you have to live in California 6 months, more than 6 months of a 2020 and still be a California resident right now on the date you receive a stimulus payment. So currently you need to be a California resident. And if somebody is claiming you as a dependent, for example, your parents, or you claiming your parents as a dependent cannot receive the stimulus payment. To qualify for California Income Earned Tax Credit, you must have taxable earned income up to $30,000. You cannot be married filing separately or filing as a registered domestic partners. And you need to meet all the other qualifications. To summarize everything, you must be a resident of California for more than 6 months of a year 2020, still be currently a resident of California, make $30,000 or less, and be eligible and receive California income tax credit. If you don't have a social security and you have IT number, you're not eligible for California earned income credit, but you have to make less than $75,000 and you cannot be a dependent on anybody's tax return. And again, you have to file your 2020 taxes to receive this one-time Golden State stimulus payments. And for single people, it's $600 or $1,200 for a couple being married. And all this information you can again find on Franchise Tax Board website, and the link to this website is ftb.ca.gov, and you can log in and read all this information. And make sure that to receive your payment, you need to file your 2020 tax return by October 15. October 15, 2021, it's extension time. So if you file an extension and you're not filing your taxes right now, you have to file your taxes by the extension date. And then after your return is processed, allow 45 to 60 days to receive your money, depending either at direct deposit or it's mail checks. On this website is great because you can find contact us link, you can find different options, what your situation might be, and just overall great information of what's coming up new and what are the requirements to receive this one-time stimulus payment in the state of California. Thank you. I hope this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe.